Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to take multiple photos using the timer on your iPhone. Let's jump right in. First, open your camera app. Now, this is important. You need to disable live photos. Tap the live icon at the top and make sure there's a line through it. This ensures your iPhone captures burst photos instead of a live photo. Next, tap on the timer icon. You'll see options for 3, 5, or 10 seconds. Choose your preferred countdown time. I'll select 3 seconds for this demo. Now here's the key. With live photos off and your timer set, simply press the shutter button. The countdown begins and your iPhone automatically captures a burst of multiple photos. To view them, open your Photos app. You'll see all the burst shots together. Tap on the burst, then select the photos you want to keep. Choose your favorites, hit done, and decide whether to keep only your favorites or all the photos. One more thing. Remember to turn off the timer after you're done so it doesn't activate on your next photo session. That's it. You've successfully taken multiple photos with the iPhone timer. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.